Did you already break your ramp truck?
No. But
really?
I mean, define break. I mean, it has a leak. How about that?
How bad was the leak? Like puddle all over the ground, truck was dead on the side of the road leak, or dripping?
No, the truck still ran.
Well, don't run with
warm.
For how long?
It's warm. It's hot. Yeah. It dumped 4.5 gallons of coolant out on the road. So,
That's not a leak. That's a break.
Well, yes. However, we used the magic tape down there. You can't really see it. That's where it was actually leaking. Those hoses have been on there since 1977. So those are 50-year hoses. They lasted 50. They did their job. So that's okay.
So here's the important part. Did you have to call a tow truck?
No.
Then we're good.
Yeah.
Then it didn't break.
I fixed that on the side of the road, actually at a friend's house. And then once that was patched and it was holding pressure, this one started to seep because it became the weak link. It's not bad. It was not leaking. It was seeping. So today we got brand new silicone hose. We're going to replace that. And then next I'm going to buy both of these hoses brand new, not orange, and say they made it 50 years. They did a good job. It's time to replace them.
This is still the coolest ramp truck out there.
It's still your favorite truck ever.
It's up there. No, Papa. I'm very partial to Papa Smurf, even though it tried to kill me aggressively.
Funny because when we were having that conversation earlier today, that's not how you described it.
I love that truck. We had a love-hate relationship.
Okay, that's honest. That's honest.
I loved it, and it aggressively tried to kill me, which I hated. That's a love-hate relationship.
It is. I would agree with that. You survived, the truck did not.
I survived, the truck did not. Should I tell that story on here? If you'd like to hear that story and see the photos of it, I don't have a video, I don't think, but photos of that story, let me know and we can do a Papa Smurf story. You even found an orange winch?
Yeah, Amazon. Your buddies at Harbor Freight didn't want to hook me up, so.
Well, the Harbor Freight ones are black and red. They wouldn't have gone with this truck.
Yeah.
But when
Why
it breaks,
is this not working? Is it hitting that? Oh, there it goes. Why? It came off. Why won't it go back on? Just stupid. Why doesn't that work? It came off. Fine.
Well, if you try putting it on that piece first and then on that piece.
No, that one's not ripped or anything. So just you leave that alone because it's working.
Now loosen that clamp so you can twist this up.
Oh.
So you can put that in place, and then you can twist this down.
Now you're making
Then you have to tighten that clamp,
See,
and then you tighten this one,
now you're
and
making
then we
sense.
fill the truck with water, because if you forget that part, then we're right back where we started.
Oh no, it has coolant in it. It didn't drip that much out. Well, it's a socket end. Doesn't have a flat blade screwdriver thing in the jigger.
Oh. 7/16.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I got more important things to do.
Okay.
Cascade Heavy Rescue. Yeah. Yeah, send me some pictures and we'll see what I can do. All right, no problem. Bye.
Okay, before you
Ben?
say anything, let me see if I can reiterate this. Hi, my name is Jules. I got your number from Matt at Tumalo Transport. He said that Ben told me to give you a call because I bought a trailer and I'd like you to haul it to my place in Tumalo.
Yes.
Now, the tires aren't very good and it's really difficult to get to, but it shouldn't be a problem.
I feel like I already
wasn't even on
had
the
this
phone.
conversation today.
That conversation happened 2 weeks ago.
Okay, well, apparently she called you about it for some reason, and then you sent her to Matt, our buddy that owns Tumalo Transport.
Yep.
And
Because I don't have a flatbed lowboy.
and Matt
And
sent
Matt
it to
does.
me because Matt's very busy.
Yep.
And now she called me saying she got my number from Matt, who was referred to him by Ben, who I'm standing next to right here, which
Full
means
circle.
if I get roped into doing this, I'm making Ben go with me because he is not getting out of it that easy.
I figured that was coming.
That's what you get for trying to pass off work.
It's funny how I knew exactly who that was on the phone.
Because you're like, damn it, I thought I was getting out of this.
I did not realize it was going to come all the way around. Okay, come over here and figure out how to put this on. I'll go get a 7/16.
What? Yeah, that's what we need, 7/16, and it'll go.
Because we can rotate it up.
Yeah, let's go get a wrench. Coolest workbench ever.
7/16.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. But can you believe this guy cut a rare Chevy 5-window in half just to make a workbench for his own personal satisfaction and ruin the classic?
Get the rest of the story first.
We don't like the rest of the story. This
Get
is
the
like
rest
Paul
of the
Harvey.
story. Paul Harvey's story. Come on now. Judging
Okay.
by the exhaust tubing that they made here, somebody's done this before.
Yeah. Thought you said they're 50-year-old hoses.
The two down here are.
So, should I loosen up this one or this one?
You know it's going to be stuck to that pipe too.
100%.
There, it's on.
Okay. Now let me go get that wrench.
Guaranteed.
No leaks.
I'd never get tired of that startup with the cam and everything.
Yeah, super cool. You start it up before I hit record.
Before you what?
Hit record.
Well, you're supposed to be a professional YouTuber.
I never said I was good at this. I did my part.
What?
I did my part.
Yes, you did.
Hey, oil drip on the ground. On your sidewalk, oil drip. What kind of YouTuber stands right in front of the camera, blocks of you?
Oh, sorry. Didn't realize that's what we were. I didn't realize it was going. I can't see the flashing
I
light.
thought you were a professional.
No, I never said that.
Or are those the adjusters?
Yeah, that's what.
You just totally unadjusted your lights.
We did. But
I think.
on the plus side, that's the only way they were going to come out to.
Hey, that's the right plug though. That'll plug right into the other ones. Yes, it will. That's the same plug as on the new lights.
What I saw was this plug, and this plug wasn't plugged into that plug. Then I saw this plug.
That's your marker light plug.
I know that now.
Yeah.
Means you were right.
Yeah, get used to it.
That sucks.
No, it's awesome because now that's going to plug right into this. You don't have to mess with it.
Yeah,
you just
but
plug
then-
your marker lights into here, which you only have to do because you have marker lights.
No, but that has a cool
I know
little
it's cool,
LED
but
thing.
the lights will work if you just plug in the plug. You don't have to do any wiring. Don't you love it when I'm right?
It's like seriously annoying.
Hey, did you ever look up what that name means in Spanish?
Yes. It's coming off the door, don't worry.
Look up that in Spanish and see what we named this truck. What's the name it already had? It was its destiny.
Don't want to touch that.
Are we making progress?
Nope. We're just getting more angry. Angry gingers. Soon to visit.
If it wasn't 100 degrees outside, I'd give you a Snickers, but today it just melt and it'd make it even madder.
Probably would. See, now it won't go all the way in there because of the plug. It's just a complicated mess.
I feel like just
Then all the water from the tire can just sit there and bathe the back of
because
the
you
plug.
drive this in the wintertime so often.
What if I get it in a rainstorm?
It'll be fine. Spray some electrical protector on there. Patrick, tell Ben it'll be fine. It's not gonna be fine. Oh, man.
Not if he's in charge of it.
Why are you such a downer?
I know.
I'm trying to get him to half-ass something and he won't.
That's not his style. I don't think it's even in him to do anything half-assed.
I think I have to sit down and think about this for a minute.
Yeah.
When in doubt, put the stock stuff back in. Don't need any of that aftermarket crap. We'll just go factory garbage. It's fine. It'll be fine.
So update. A bunch of wiring needs to be done to make the other light fit in here, and it's like late in the day and it's really hot outside, and
Nobody wants to see us that grumpy on camera.
we're not that enthusiastic about doing a bunch of wiring right now, so stock light's going back in. There's the spring.
Like this. You did it. That was your job. It's the only job you had. Almost like we weren't even here.
Okay, now that we didn't accomplish anything, let's go home.
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna hop in the TJ6 to head home, and yes, I took the top off, or the sides of the top. This is the fastback top that just unzips, and I really need to find a hard top for it because that's what I want. So if anyone out there has an LJ hardtop known around or knows of one for sale, let me know. The one I really want is the Great Top Safari top. I really want that, but they're like 2-3 months back ordered, and I want to get a top on it sooner than that. So let me know if you know. Alright, that's it for this one. We didn't accomplish much except for we got the coolant line back on that truck. So we're gonna call it a day. We'll see you next time. My Jeep's too high to trip the magnet sensor there, so Ben's gonna come trip it with the truck.